Hello, dear students. Today we will study some of the current affairs. Kindly listen carefully. When World Tiger Day is celebrated every year, it is celebrated on 29 July. World Tiger Day is also known as International Tiger Day or the Global Tiger Day. Question number 2. Which social networking company has launched an app called Collab for creating short music video? It is created by Facebook, and by using this video you can create your short music videos. This app is based on the TikTok, which is recently banned in India. Who became the country's 66 chess grandmaster? He is G. Akash and from the state Tamil Nadu. Chess grandmaster, or the term grandmaster, is the highest title which can be achieved by a chess player, and it remains for the life. Question number 4. The world's first gold plated hotel has been opened in which country? It is opened in Vietnam. The word gold plated here means when a very thin layer of gold is covered on an object, it will be called as gold plated. So the tiles and so many other objects which are used in this hotel are gold plated. Question number 5. How many Chinese apps were banned in India? 59 Chinese apps were banned in India. Why? Because of the security reasons. The data of the users of these apps was being stolen and was given to the Chinese government. Question number 6. How many Chinese apps were banned by Indian Army for its soldiers? 89. Why it was done? It was noticed that some of the Chinese apps were tracing the location or the movement of the Indian soldiers, which was a big threat for the India's security. Question number 7. Who has written the new book, The India Way, Strategies for an Uncertain World? It is written by our Foreign Minister, Mr. S. Jaishankar. So in this book, he has written about the challenges which are faced by India during the time of COVID and also in becoming a superpower. So another thing which he has written in this book is the policies which are formed by the Indian government to tackle these challenges and the possible outcomes in the future of all these policies. How many polar bears are left according to research published in the Nature Climate Change Journal? Around 25,000 polar bears are left, and which is very less. Which state launched the Pure for Sure campaign to ensure the milk and dairy products purity? This campaign was launched by Rajasthan and it carried for entire 1 week. Question number 10. Which video conferencing app with unlimited free calling has been launched by Reliance Industries? So it is JioMeet, and it is launched by an Indian company, which is Reliance Industries. You are already using JioMeet and Zoom app to take your live classes. In the same manner, JioMeet can also be used. Who is the only Indian to feature on Forbes 2020 list of world's highest paid celebrities? Mr. Akshay Kumar. So from India, only one celebrity was able to make its name in this list, and he is Mr. Akshay Kumar. Which app is launched by Google to help people in maintaining social distancing? It is Sudar. So as we are living in the times of COVID right now, and we need to maintain proper distance to not get affected from this disease. So this app helps the users to maintain social distancing. Question number 13. Which first Indian social media super app has been launched by Vice President of India? So it is Alignment. Which country will host the Women's Asian Football Cup 2022? It will be hosted by India. Which country has reported its first suspected case of Black Death? So it is reported again in China. But the good news is medicines are already available to cure this disease, but the condition is a person should be treated within the 24 hours of the infection. In case if it is not done, the person can die within a day. From which country has India bought Rafale aircraft? India has purchased or bought Rafale aircrafts from France, and the total number of aircrafts or Rafale aircrafts which India will be getting is 36, and the first batch of this aircraft have been already received by India. on Ambala Airbase in the state of Haryana. Thank you and have a nice